Make a factor tree for 50. Well, in order to make a factor tree, let's write our number out and think of any two numbers except 1 and 50 that multiply out to 50. So how about 5 and 10? Now you look at the numbers that you just wrote out. If any of those numbers are prime, circle them. Well, 5, all I can divide 5 by is 1 in itself, so 5 is prime. Well, what about 10? I could divide 10 by 5 and 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to make more branches and split that up into 5 and 2. Remember, we will never use 1 and the number. We're not allowed to do that. You look at the numbers that are left over. And if those numbers are prime, circle them. I already know 5 is prime. 2 is prime because I can only divide 2 by 1 and 2. So I'm going to circle you. Now that our branches are done and I have nothing but circled numbers, I am done my factor tree. And what this means is 5 times 5 times 2 is going to be 50.